Yes. Pero yung first of speed. Alright.
I think may nagpaano po, coach. And more people are coming in. More people are finishing.
Register pa.
Yes.
Alright, welcome.
Congratulations, finishers.
One of the events we're gonna have will be on May 26th. Alright, it is entitled Fit for Life. Alright, Fit for Life is like this also. Pero it will be for the first time held at the Quirino Grandstand. It is. Let naman tayo. Alright, the first.
The ones in the speed up to move forward, and after that, the further they're ready.
Good job.
Wave J.
Ganyan, sige. Okay, copy. Okay.
Sabay kayo.
Ito lang, diba? Yun. Yeah, that's good. Mahirap din ako. Yan yung ginawa niya.
Okay, we're good.
Nice, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang yan.
Wave J, are you ready?
Nice, ma'am. Nice, ma'am.
Are you ready? Alright, in 10 seconds.
Okay.
Ready?
Alright.
10, 9,
Nice, ma'am.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and go!
Ayos lang yan. Sigurado gising ka dito.
Good, good.
D. So the sun is actually for you. Alright? Tsaka peace natin eh.
Hey, sir.
I need to count you guys. I need 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A01 Genevieve de la Peña.
Genevieve de la Peña.
And to award our finishers, we have Dr. Claudine Rora, Doc Claudine. Alright, 134.
25.
Yeah? Alright, to award first the medal and the gift certificates and the house and lot.
Yes! You're off, coach.
Alright, this is, it says GW2